Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check the service name, PID, and user context so you know what you control. Once done, open logs and scan the last 200 lines for error codes and timestamps to prioritize fixes. Also make sure network access, disk space, and required dependency processes are responsive. If any dependency is down, restart it first. This avoids chasing a symptom and lets you start the real repair steps with accurate, actionable information. You now diagnose and execute the complex middle work. Reproduce the failure with the same inputs so you can observe cause and effect. Once reproduced, isolate the subsystem, network, auth, or database, and apply targeted fixes like config edits, permission adjustments, or restarting specific dependencies. Explain why each change should resolve the root cause. After each change, perform safe, incremental restarts and run focus tests, while monitoring logs and metrics to confirm the issue is resolving. But you finish by confirming the service is healthy and documenting what you did. Run end-to-end tests, check uptime and latency metrics, and ensure alerts are cleared. Once satisfied, record exact config changes, timestamps, and any rollback steps so others can follow. If problems persist, escalate efficiently, collect logs, include the commands you ran, and provide a reproducible test case. That single troubleshooting tip saves time. Finally, make sure scheduled backups and monitoring are re-enabled so the fix endures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.